Alright, so let's see messages for Gemini, please. What happened in the recent past? Two of Swords. Okay. Alright, Knight of Cups. This is beautiful energy. So what I see is that maybe you were dealing with two people, Gemini, or there was someone who was just keeping you hanging. There was someone who was just bringing in a lot of confusion and secrets into the situation. I see that this person was neither giving you a commitment and they were not even telling you what is up. Okay, so somebody was creating a very messy situation around you and they were not at all giving you clarity. With the Two of Swords, you can see how her eyes are blindfolded. She's not even, looking what is up. She does not want to change her circumstances. So you were dealing with somebody who was very messed up in their own life, and the worst part is that they were not ready to change their life and they were dragging you in the same mess. Okay, so somebody was just making your life hell. This person had a lot of secrets. They never really told you what is up. They never really gave you any sort of clarity, and every time you would ask them, they would just create some or the other drama. So you were dealing with a low level drama bitch in the recent past is what I see. So some of you, it could be a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, could be a Cancer or a Pisces very strongly as well. And then the good thing is that you isolated yourself from the situation. With the Knight of Cups, I see that you were like, okay, if this person cannot give me commitment, or if this person is not serving me for my highest good, I will manifest a very beautiful relationship in my life. I will not wait for somebody to waste my time continuously. I'm going to go in my own direction. So that's what the Knight of Cup energy is. I see that you are finding that motivation in your life. You're finding that creativity in your life. Some of you might also be working on a creative venture, and that's going to give you very good results. And when relationship, I see that somebody could be a possible water sign. We already have two water sign cards here. So as soon as you distance yourself from drama, there is love stepping into your life. So I see that you were really in a very, very messed up situation, but as soon as you decided to move on, as soon as you decided to put an end to it, love enters your life. So I see that you're putting a full stop to a situation that was not serving you and moving on. Eight of Swords. See, who the fuck were you dealing with? This person just kept you stuck. I see that there are times when you still kind of think about this person, but for the majority, you're trying to move on. And for the Geminis, those who are not able to move on, those who are still thinking about their past, they keep on blocking, unblocking, blocking and unblocking their past person, especially a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Your message is to let this person go, because they are only bringing in draining energy for you. This person is going to drain the fuck out of you. They're just going to keep your life very, very stuck. And when you already know that somebody is not giving you clarity and they're keeping you stuck, why are you waiting in there, Gemini? So yeah, I see that some of you've already had a realization that this person is no good and they are just a mess. And for others of you, you will have that realization very soon. What else? See, Seven of Pentacles. So I see that you're trying to recognize that your destination lies ahead of you. You have clearly realized that this person or this situation is not serving you. Whatever was keeping you stuck for a very long time, maybe some of you 2 months or 8 months, whatever was keeping you stuck, you realized that it is not going to serve you and you have to focus on your stability. Some of you might also be doing something new in your career or something new in your money. Maybe you have hired a coach, maybe you are taking some new courses, or maybe you are educating yourself, or you're just putting in the work. That's what the Seven of Pentacles energy is. You're basically laying a foundation for something new in your career, and in the times to come, it is going to blossom. So right now is your time to lay the foundation. Make sure you put in the work so that later on you can reap rewards. All right, Gemini? I see that this is also something that you wanted to do. Maybe in your career, you wanted to do something, you wanted to go on a certain path, and you never really could get a courage because you were so messed up in your personal life. Now you're finally finding time and space for it, and you're going for that. You're being very, very serious about your life. Now you're realizing, what the hell was I doing with my life? Why was I wasting so much time on this person? This person just messed up my life. They messed up my mind. Why was I just so invested? So you are having some really big realizations right now, going in July. Okay, what is coming towards Gemini next? Your cards are flying. Ooh, Gemini. Gemini, who the hell is this water sign that you're messing up with? This is is a third card. And I asked, what is coming towards you? It's a Queen of Cups. There could be a very strong water sign, or this person just has some water placement, or even if they're not water sign, they're very emotional and caring kind of person. I see that in the past, you've dealt with an air sign or somebody very air-like, especially Libra and Aquarius type of person. They were very distant, very cold, very mean. Like, you know how some people think that being mean is very cool and sexy. So you were dealing with one such narcissistic bastard, and that person just was not giving you commitment. But the next person that is coming towards you with the Queen of Cup is a very emotional, beautiful energy. I see somebody with a lot of love that's coming towards you. Temperance. This is so beautiful. Some of you, you are attracting a soulmate relationship, a perfect give and take kind of relationship. I see in the past you were the one who was doing everything, but now you have somebody who wants to equally contribute. It could be a Sagittarius, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. This could be someone that you already know, maybe from your childhood, or this person looks very younger than their actual age. So very handsome looking person, or a very beautiful looking woman, somebody who looks much more younger than their actual age. I see somebody coming in with a lot of love. This person might also be fantasizing a lot about you, because that's what the Page of Cup energy is. This person is thinking a lot. So somebody have you constantly on their mind. And the good thing is that this person wants to have a stable relationship with you in which you can have an equal give and take. Okay. What else? Very emotional energy coming towards you. And I know, being a Gemini, I know I don't like somebody being very emotional, like, water signs and us Geminis. It's a little difficult combination, but I see somebody is really swiping you off your feet, and this person is doing all of this with a lot of emotion and care. So are you like going to date a sugar daddy? I don't know. Okay, so Hermit and the Six of Swords. I see, Gemini, that you had quarantined yourself. Literally the world is quarantining. You were also quarantining physically, emotionally. You were not talking to a lot of people. I see a lot of shit has gone down in your life recently, and you basically isolated yourself. Some of you were also working on something, a project, or maybe you took up a higher studies, or maybe you were just educating yourself on something. Whatever it is, I see that you basically just distanced yourself from everything, and you just kind of went in your own shell. But now you're coming out of it. With the Six of Swords energy, I see that you're slowly and gradually coming out of your shell, and you're exploring things again. Some of you, I also see very dominantly travel being part of your life. So if you wanted to travel, especially if you wanted to go abroad, this could be a good time. And whatever confusion you had, everything is going to get cleared. All right, so if you were waiting to hear from somebody to get some sort of clarity, I see it's going to happen, and it's going to set you very, very free. With the Six of Swords energy, whatever weight that you were carrying on your shoulders, on your heart, that was not letting you move forward, now you're able to move forward. All right. Okay, what else? Very beautiful, balanced energy. Wow, Ace of Swords. I see new beginnings, Gemini. Some of you might be starting something new in your career, or something new in your relationship, or something new in your life. I see the energy is all about new. You are finding a new direction for yourself. You're finding new things for yourself. Meanwhile, there is someone who's stalking you. It could be. So Gemini, let me tell you very clearly. I see two energies here. One is a water sign, other is an air sign. The air sign could be your past toxic ex, and the water sign is the one that is coming towards you. But I see that some of you know both of these people already, like both are from the past, but the water sign looks better, and there's an air sign as well who stalks you, who's very toxic. Some of you, it's a Capricorn, maybe a very toxic person. They try to keep tabs on you. This person is literally obsessed, and they cannot let go of you. See, they are holding on to you very strongly. I see that somebody from your past might also try to come back to waste your time, or they just want to talk to you, and they want to know what is up with you. But there is another person, very beautiful energy, could be a fire or a water sign, that's really interested in you, and they want to make things work. Like, they want to take things forward with you. A lot has happened in your life recently, and a lot has changed you completely, is what I see. You've become very independent. You've become very career focused, you're just going after your money, you're just going after your stability. As I already said, you're educating yourself on something, you're laying foundation. I see that you have realized that nothing will help you in life more than your own stability. Like if you're stable, everything around is good, but if you do not have your own stability, nobody can make you feel safe, right? So I see you have had some sort of realizations. With the Lovers card, again, it speaks about choices in love, Gemini. So I definitely see more than one person in your life, or very soon it will show up and you will be having to make a choice. All right, Hanged Man again. Wow. There is someone who's not able to let go of you, and that is because of ego issues. Like this person thought that you will never be able to move on, and now because you are moving on, this person is not able to let go because they have ego problem. They cannot digest the fact that you have moved on. So somebody's ego is on top, and this person secretly stalks you. They're obsessed with you. Low level narcissistic person. They just keep showing into your life, and they want to hear from you. This person will be approaching you, but again, see, Six of Cups. Somebody is thinking to approach you, but I think this person is just a waste of time, and you already know it. Two of Cups. You definitely have more than one option, Gemini, and you have love around you. Like, I see a lot of good news coming in when it comes to love. You might not be realizing, but I see that you have multiple people who are interested in you. So just like open your eyes and see around your options. And there are some people who be like, I can't see anybody. Honey, if you do not step out of your home, you do not socialize, how will you have people? You are no Cinderella. No Prince Charming is going to come with a sandal to get your measure, to see whether you are the one who left the sandal. All right, so please, like, behave maturely. All right, so what else? So love is definitely around you, but you have to be open to it. Ace of Wands. Do I have to say anything? There's a fire sign, could be an earth sign, there's a possible water sign as well. This person is looking for a long-term commitment with you. Whoever is coming into your life next, I see that you were manifesting for a commitment or a marriage. Universe kind of heard you. And there is also someone from the past who wants to come back. This person was just looking for sex with you in the past, but now they kind of realize what they missed, and now they want to come back. So somebody is kind of regretting what they did, and they want to come back to check on you. But you also have someone really beautiful, a very beautiful person stepping into your life. They might be already there. They might confess to you in July, or maybe they will come into your life very soon. Just keep your options open. And your money, I see that you're very serious about your goals. You're doing something in your money as well. Spending a lot of time working really hard. I see everything is going to pay back. So your money, your career is your priority these days. Maybe love is not a priority as much, but I see your money is going to improve. I don't know for what reason the money thing keeps popping. We have 8 of Pentacles, 7 of Pentacles, 10 of Pentacles. Like, do you want anything? And then 10 of Cups, which is fulfillment in relationship, emotional fulfillment. Okay, anything else? Any advice for Gemini? Justice. Wow. Try to balance your life. Try to maintain the balance that you've already found. And I also see that if somebody opens up to you, and if this person is a good match, give them a chance. Do not try to hold back yourself, because you know Justice is a marriage card, and for a marriage card. If you were manifesting a commitment or a marriage, universe is giving you somebody, a person of your dream or whatever. Try to be open, Gemini. You might just try to be paranoid. Like, I was talking to somebody yesterday, and she was telling me that I am so scared because of my breakups and my past, that every time somebody tries to come in my life, I just mess up the situation. I just create problem, I create chaos, and then the person gets scared and they leave. So, you know, when you go through difficult relationships, when you meet low-level narcissistic people like this, devil people, you definitely, you know, become so paranoid, and you try to imbalance the situation. You try to push people away. So don't try to do that. That's the Justice card. It's asking you to balance the situation. Like, universe is going to give you the opportunity, but you also have to learn the talent to balance things, right? And your next connection, I definitely see somebody is up for an equal give and take in the connection. Like, this person thinks that you're a wife or a husband material. Like, no bullshit, no relationship, no friends with benefit. Directly this person is going to talk about commitment, and I see this definitely has a potential for a long term. So a very big change, a very big shift is aligning for you, and it's going to change your life. You just have to be open to it. Do not get paranoid and do not try to create chaos. So before you mess it, handle it well. All right, you might not be feeling very clear because of your past. You might be having your confusions, your doubts. Where shall I trust this person? Shall I not? You should. If this feels right, it is definitely right. You don't have to second guess, third guess, or fourth guess. All right. Knight of Pentacles. Wow. So yeah, I see that somebody is very serious to make a move towards you, and this person is going to do everything to be in your life. And you know, this person, how will you identify them? This person is not going to be shady or shabby. This person is directly going to talk about commitment. So that is how you will recognize them. They won't tell you things like, let's just sleep around and then we'll talk about commitment. No, this person is going to talk about commitment directly. All right, give me message for Gemini for July. So we have 4 cards. So we have new love. I already said it could be a new person or somebody from the past coming like a new person. Some of you will meet this person through your friends or family. Again, do not try to bring in your codependency, your addictions, your paranoid nature to kind of, you know, like ruin the situation. Don't do that. And then this is a true love. This is definitely a very beautiful love, like 10 of Pentacles, 10 of Cups, Lovers, 2 of Cups. It's definitely a true love, Gemini. Just be open to it. Do not try to bring in your codependency issues and ruin the situation, all right? So yeah, that was a very beautiful reading. Hope this has resonate. If it does, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment. I will see you very soon in the next video. Till then, you guys take care, stay safe. Bye-bye.